Yeah, chat. 25-minute stream. Damn, this shit's... Whew. Alright, I gotta stop hitting it. Because I gotta prepare for this blinker up ahead. We're gonna do a blinker. We're gonna do a fab blinker. Whew. And this shit hits hard, bro. This shit's hitting like a freight train right now. You know what I mean, chat? Alright. Let's go ahead and just record right over here. Alright. Alright, I think there's probably one more person. Yeah, there's one more person. Alright. I don't know, chat. I feel like if we just start traveling more, I think we'd just be happier, bro. You know what I mean? I want to go to like the exotic places low key first because I never know when I'm gonna. Oh shit. Alright. Okay. That person just jumped into the woods. What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright. Bro just jumped into the fucking woods, bro. Not even the trail. Bro jumped into the woods. What the fuck? Ain't no way. Bro was wearing a yellow shirt and he jumped into the bushes. Why did he jump into the bushes like that? He jumped into something like this and ran into the... What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Fucking skinwalker head ass nigga. No, nigga.